Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can stop cash on delivery orders for pre-order products. So for this, I have used Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Advanced Cash on Delivery app. Then limit COD based on product configure button. Select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery using this COD fee option, then you need to toggle on this button and select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. Then click on product tag, change the status to enabled, select hide COD for this product tag, and you can enter the tag name here like pre-order product. You can see tag has been added. Now save your changes. By the way, if you're liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go to product section. You can select your pre-order product here. Now scroll down. On right side, there is an option of tag. You can enter that same tag name here as a product tag and save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Add that particular product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter the test address. Scroll down here, you can see cash on delivery is not available. Only prepaid options are available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to stop cash on delivery for pre-order products using this advanced cash on delivery app. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.